Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So let's take a look at this unit that I have completed a few weeks back. The owner has just moved in. They are still arranging their furniture, but let's take a look at what I've done for them. So basically it's just a one-tone interior design. You can see that the floor and the carpentry works and the wall paint, right, they are all one color, even the ceiling as well. Right, so let's take a look. Okay, so this is the living area. I've segregated this walking space. Right, it's just like an entrance foyer. This one acts as a privacy for the living. Here, right, the sofa and TV can be wall mounted here. Of course, if the TV is slightly bigger, then you will cover up more of the divider space. If you look at this original layout, it's very odd in the sense that there's no place to put your TV, right? There's no wall, right? The only wall that is available is this wall. Okay, so imagine if your TV is here, then your sofa is going to be here, right? You have to face the TV, right? But then your dining set is over here, so it's very cramped, right? Space is very cramped. So I had to shift the TV from there to the middle of the window, right? This is the center of the window. Then there used to be one wall here, the entrance to the common bedroom, so I hacked that away and enlarged the space, make it more rectangular. Okay, even the main door has been changed to match the entire color scheme. The DB, right? The DB is the old type, which is the conceal type. Can't really replace it, so I had to do like a small little cover just to hide everything. Right, the plastic cover has been damaged, so there's no way I can find the replacement. So I did like a laminated cover. Okay, so here will be the storeroom. Okay, so basically it's all like a big fluted panels, uneven size. Okay, so there's some storage here. It's a tic-tac door. Just open up. Okay, it's a two-door. Right, so here will be the storeroom. Right, the bomb shelter. Sorry, it's over here. And then some more storage. Okay, and then a new door entrance to the common bedroom. So this is like a swing door. Just open up. Okay, then close it. Okay, it's a big panel, right? It's a big panel door, but it's okay because it's just a common bedroom. But you don't see any door frame, right? It's all very clean line. Okay, so here you can see that I've created like a passageway, the entrance, like the entrance comes with passageway to the kitchen, to the dining as well. Okay, so kitchen, you can see the floor, it's all seamless, right? One color tone throughout. Kitchen cabinet, all one color tone. It's more to the beigey color. Okay. Tiles, also beige color. Cabinet, top and bottom one tone. This is the Compact Plus. Okay. This is the closest tone that we can get, but I think it's fine. The dish rack here, huge one. Okay, over here will be the fridge, nothing on top. Okay, so basically the color theme is just beige, greys and black color. And let's go to the master bedroom. It's a very nice honeycomb line. Okay. Color also matches very well. Right, a little bit on the false ceiling. So I did a drop ceiling here with cove light helmet. It follows the shape of the walkway. Okay, so you only drop down like that and just one straight row all the way to the kitchen. There's a sliding door there, okay, just to prevent the aircon from going up. Did a box up helmet just to hide the track aircon. Right, there's some trunking over here, it's all hidden. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom, you can see that I also done the right, it's a discrete door. Right, same color tone, everything flushes nicely. You don't see the door frame. Okay. Okay, so here, right, used to be one common room, the master. So this common room has been converted into the walk-in wardrobe. Right, let's come in. This is the entrance to the walk-in wardrobe. Okay. Right, they bought some off-the-shelf wardrobe here, and it's a piece of glass here. Okay, so this glass allows more light to enter to the walk-in wardrobe. Okay, so over there is actually their study corner, study table or gaming area. Okay, so this is the window part of the common bedroom. Right, so there's a partition to segregate the walk-in wardrobe and the study room. Right, so here when you go out, it's the master bathroom. Right, the tiles and the color theme is keeping consistently with the overall throughout. Okay, it's a full mirror here. Okay, so what you can do is, if you're having a aircon trunking coming down from the corner, right, this is the water drainage. If you intend to have a mirror, you can actually wrap around it. Okay, you can see some wrap around very nicely. Okay, so it kind of like blends in very nicely with the mirror, the entire mirror. Here's some storage at the bottom. Take note, normally you cannot do doors here because you can't swing open, right? So it has to be open shelving. Let's come to the master bedroom. The older type of this HDB has got the recess at the window side. Okay, so just some simple shelving. I box up the bottom, so there's a big niche here. You're going to put some painting over. Right, so this is the study area. Some more shelving left and right. So the table is going to be here, facing the window. Okay, so that's it. This small tour of this foreign resale apartment in Punggol. I'll show you guys more on the completed project in a few weeks time when the owner have arranged everything nicely. Okay, see you guys.